no, Leo. Did you forget your lunch again?
Yeah, I was in a hurry this morning.
Here, you can share mine. It's really good. Thanks, Maya. You're the best.
Wonderful, Maya. Sharing makes our hearts shine brighter.
It even tastes better when you share.
Imagine a world where AI brings kindness to life, not just in words, but through beautiful 3D stories. Videos like this are going viral on YouTube because they teach kids important life lessons, and parents love them for their positive impact. Channels like Cocomelon, Choo Choo TV, and Little Baby Bum are already inspiring millions of views with content that entertains and educates. In this video, I'll take you behind the scenes of how I created the 3D Lunchroom of Kindness, a short, heartwarming animation made entirely with free AI tools. Yes, totally free. Stay with me. It's simple, clear, and even a kid could follow along to create something amazing. Before we dive in, here's the plan. We'll go step by step, from writing your story to finally editing. By the end, you'll have a beautiful 3D animation ready to share with the world. So grab your notes, hit the like button, and let's start. Step 1, scripting. Head over to ChatGPT and type this prompt. Hi, I want to create a video for kids. Please suggest 10 ideas for animated educational videos that teach kids an important life lesson. In seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 creative story ideas. Pick the one that fits your vision best. For me, I went with story number 2, the sharing sandwich. Now here's where most beginners get confused. I didn't stop there. I used 2 simple prompts to make things easier. First, I asked ChatGPT for the full story and script, and it delivered instantly. I reviewed it to make sure the tone and message were right. Then I gave a second prompt asking for character descriptions, image and animation prompts for each scene, and the voiceover script. With just those 2 smart prompts, ChatGPT gave me everything I needed. Detailed, organized, and ready to use without stress or confusion. Stay tuned. The animation and tools we'll use are simple yet powerful, and I'll show you exactly how to get professional results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI storytelling tutorials. Step 2, image generation. Now that our story and script are ready, it's time to bring them to life visually. For this, I used Youware, one of the best free tools for creating realistic AI images. I'll also link a full Youware tutorial in the description. In Youware, you can choose from different models. I selected the Nano Banana model because it gives soft, vibrant visuals that are perfect for kid-friendly 3D animation. I copied each image prompt from ChatGPT for every scene and pasted it into Youware. Make sure to use a 16:9 aspect ratio for landscape shots, ideal for YouTube. Once I hit generate, Youware quickly produced beautiful, consistent characters and smooth backgrounds with no design skills required. Before moving to the next scene, check that your model and lighting style stay the same for consistency. To continue, click Edit, copy the next prompt from ChatGPT, and paste it back into Youware. Repeat this process until all your images are ready. And just like that, in a few minutes, you'll have all your visuals ready for animation. Step 3, the engine room. This is where your story truly comes alive. For animation, I used Grok AI, a powerful and free tool that delivers high-quality 3D animation with smooth motion, accurate lip sync, and fast rendering. If you want to explore more features, check out our full Grok AI video linked below and subscribe for updates on the best AI tools. Let's animate. Sign into Grok AI, then head to the Imagine section. Click Upload Image and choose your first scene from Youware. Copy the animation prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Within seconds, Grok AI generates a lively and expressive animation. You'll be amazed at how realistic it looks.
Here, you can share mine. It's really good.
Once satisfied, click Download. Repeat this process for all your scenes. In no time, your story will be full of movement, emotion, and a professional 3D look, completely free and fast. Step 4, putting it all together. Open CapCut and import all your animated clips, your voiceover, and background music. Drag everything into the timeline following your story order. Add smooth transitions between clips, light background music, and adjust the audio levels for balance. You can also add effects like light glow or motion blur to make it more appealing. Just keep it simple and kid-friendly. Review the full video, check the flow, sync in, and pacing. Once you're happy, export it in full HD for the best YouTube quality. And that's it, a heartwarming 3D kids animation made entirely with free AI tools. Congratulations! You've just created a professional 3D kids animation from scratch using ChatGPT, Youware, Grok AI, and CapCut, all completely free.
Oh no, Leo. Did you forget your lunch again?
Yeah, I was in a hurry this morning.
Here, you can share mine. It's really good. Thanks, Maya. You're the best.
Wonderful, Maya. Sharing makes our hearts shine brighter.
It even tastes better when you share.
If this tutorial inspired you, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss future tutorials. Now it's your turn. Bring your own stories to life and share kindness with the world.